Diamond is a Saudi-based company with a long background in the market. For more than 10 years, we've been operating as a supply chain and spare parts partners, supporting our customers in logistics, sourcing, and technical coordination. Over time, and based on that experience, we decided to take the next step, and we have established our own manufacturing facility in Riyadh, designed to serve precision and regulated sectors such as defense and aerospace. What this gives us is a strong combination between supply chain know-how and emerging local manufacturing capability built on quality and long-term commitments. This transition into manufacturing is closely linked to Vision 2030. By developing local capabilities, we are helping in reduce dependence on external sources while improving the availability and the supply inside the kingdom. Also, by investing in facilities, people, and systems, we help build the long-term industrial capability in Saudi Arabia. This approach supports knowledge transfer, strengthens the local supply chains, and contributes to sustainable growth. The World Defense Show is a key platform for engaging with the defense ecosystem. It brings end users, decision makers, and industry partners in one place. Participating in the World Defense Show for us is about building relationships, representing our direction as a company investing in local manufacturing, and contributing to the kingdom's long-term industrial and defense goals.